Hello, I have here with me a novelty item, also a collector's item. And if you are not familiar with these are a pretty popular item right now. It is they're called Pop Funkos. This is a Tom Brady one. It's a player well known from the Patriots. So basically this is, like I said, not really a toy, it's more of a collector's novelty item, and it's very popular right now. They have so many different things from like different series, if that makes sense. Like movies, and then like different types of movies, TV shows, video games, sports teams and whatnot, and they are really popular right now. Like, I am emphasizing that because it is very true. The pricing is very affordable. Some do range a little bit higher just because of how rare they are. Now there's these things called like rare and whatnot, and these are just so fun to collect in my opinion, because like I just mentioned, right now there are rare ones, which means they'll just be a little harder to find, or a little bit on, like I said, they're affordable, but they'll just be a little bit more than what they usually are, of course, if that makes sense, and still be affordable. Some are from way beginning when this brand started, like in the early mid 2000s, I want to say, not early 2000s, but it's been a while now, and they just started recently blowing up and stuff, so they definitely have a good value to it, but are affordable, and they're, for what the worth, it's amazing. The box is always one of the things I always personally like to look at, is the box is in good condition, because to me that's definitely a really good thing. Aside from the box being in really good condition, the material of the pop itself is actually really good. I've taken them out and stuff. Usually I keep them in the box, but I felt them for sure myself. I don't really know what the material it could be called. Let me see if I can. All the information is in the bottom. It tells you how to have it around kids and whatnot. It has different things of what it's made of and stuff. And right here, they usually all have numbers, which means like there's more to collect. Like I said, this is sports, so it'll say like collect them all and stuff like that. It'll have other names and other numbers. They all come with like the title. It's super cool the way they package it. That's one of the things I absolutely love, aside from the look and the actual thing inside. The box is one of my favorite parts. This one has an official NFL stamp because it is an NFL owned player or team, whatever, you can say whatever you want, and it usually has a picture of it, which I think is super cute, the title of it, where it's from, a little bit more information, and the number above. And there you go. And the details are so cool. Like, this is a really famous football player, and so you can see I'm holding a football, and on the football it actually says NFL 2. You can see right there. You can see the hat. This one's wearing a beanie. There are some with the actual NFL helmets, which is super cool, but this one has that little like beanie, winter or whatever, and it has the Patriots logo, what the team he plays on for the New England Patriots, and it has his number and his team once again, and the black thing under the football for the sun that they wear, and his facial hair is just so funny, and kind of him, I guess, just his lip or something like that. It's not really a smile, but I think these are super cool to collect and super good. Definitely worth whatever the price is going for, whether it's a rare one or a very common one. The price will always be worth it. They're super fun to collect. If you were to buy one somewhere and then take it with you, I've done that before, where I'll be in a different state and I'll buy them, and they're so easy to keep nice. Like, it's not too fragile and stuff. I definitely still take care of them just because it is plastic, but they're not that fragile, and you can take it with you anywhere if you're buying it and then like giving it to another state or whatnot. But of course, if you're just buying it and going home, it's fine. But for travels, you definitely do need a little bit of room. The box is pretty not regular. I have here like a deodorant, so you can kind of get this is a very common deodorant. You can kind of get a gist of the size. That's the bottom and that's the top, just so you guys can get a little bit overview of what the sizing is. I recommend this for any ages at all. Literally, if you have a kid, this is a perfect gift, because like I said, there's so many from so many shows, adult shows and big shows. I mean, like popular shows that back then, or even kids watch now, cartoons. Like this is a real life person, so of course they make cartoon ones too, which are even better, because it already is a cartoon, so it's so cool seeing it. And a lot of people mistake these as like bobbleheads, sort of, but they're really not that. It's a little different. It definitely has its own concept aside from just getting a regular bobblehead. And the name, it's super big, super good quality, and I just think it's a fun thing to collect for all ages, whether you're older, younger, or definitely want to gift it. I recommend it. But hope you get to know the product, and it's definitely worth it. Thank you for watching.